If your wallet is on life support, or you're on SAPA Pro Max, or probably you have a financial heartbreak, this video is for you. I'll show you how fintech apps can make you rich in Nigeria. No more zero balance gang. Hi, I'm Funke Odode, your business analyst, your social media content strategist, and content writer. If you're ready to stop being a broke female or a broke male, hit the like button and let's dive in. You know that rich uncle of yours that tells you to invest while drinking red wine? Turns out he's right. Invest and grow your money, no matter how little it is. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. However, these are the things I love, things I do that I share with those who are in my community. And if you want to steal my strategy, you're free to do so. Just make sure you make your own research. Even if you're on low income, it is possible. Fintech apps like Bamboo, Risevest, Chaka, Throw allows you to invest in Nigerian and global stock while being in Nigeria. You can buy shares in companies like Tesla and Apple, Google, Nigerian banks, or even Dangote Cement. That's just to mention a few. From your own smartphone and in the comfort of your home. The best part is your money grows over time, unlike your savings account that gives you 1% interest per year, or something ridiculous like that. If, for instance, you've invested 50,000 Naira in Amazon stock in the year 2020, guess what? It will be worth over 300,000 today. Your village people are not stopping you. You just need to start investing. If you have been waiting for a sign to start investing, this is it. Regardless of what you're doing, regardless of whether you're 9 to 5, a career person, a businesswoman, an entrepreneur, a social media strategist, a content creator, or whatever the niche you say you are in, please start investing today by downloading these apps. Go and download these apps today, the moment you're done with this video, and drop a comment in the section if you have invested before. If you have not invested before, tell me the stock you think you'll be investing in after this video. Number 2, automate your savings. Let your money grow on autopilot. Let's be honest, saving manually is hard. You say, I'll save this month, then boom, I'll ask for shawarma, I'll ask for cold coke. Even sometimes you may just have some health issues you need to deal with. Hence, you cannot even save the money you have said you're going to save manually. All these other unforeseen occurrences can make it difficult for you to save your money manually. But if you download any of these fintech apps, guys, you'll be able to automate your savings. The moment a particular money is coming in, you already tell the app, remove so amount or remove so percentage of my money automatically. If you ask my opinion, apps like PiggyVest, OPay, Carrywise, Coda, and so on can help you save automatically. You can even lock your savings, earn interest, and stop yourself from spending recklessly. If you save 10,000 Naira every month with 10% interest, you would have over 200,000 Naira in a year without stress. If this is making sense to you, please type "insufficient lifestyle is not for me" in the comment section. Point 3, make money from crypto and forex. Don't sleep on this. Crypto people, gather here. Forex traders, where are you at? Apps like Binance, Quidex, and Luno allows you to invest in crypto, while FX trading platforms helps you make money from currency movement or commodity movements. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even stable coins like USDT to protect your money from Naira depreciation. If you learn basic Forex trading, you can make money from exchange rate movement. If you had bought 100,000 Naira worth of Bitcoin in 2016, guess how much it will be worth today? 50 million Naira. Should I do a separate video on how to trade Forex or crypto? Let me know in the comment section. If the number of requests is high enough, I might just do that. Number 4, start a side hustle or side business. If you're still broke in 2025, one of 2 things must happen. Either you increase your earnings or you increase your earnings. That means there is no food for lazy man. Apps like Paystack, Flutterwave, Cheaper Cash helps you receive payments from anywhere in the world. You can start selling digital products, courses, freelancing, or even online coaching. If you're on TikTok or Instagram, monetize your skill. The world of digital payment has revolutionized how businesses and individuals in Nigeria and across Africa earn money. Platforms like Paystack, Flutterwave, Cheaper Cash enable seamless transactions, allowing entrepreneurs and businesses to receive payments globally with ease. So whether you're selling digital products, offering online courses, freelancing, or monetizing your social media skill, these payment platforms can help you build a thriving online business. Number 5, get loans to invest and upskill. This time we're not telling you to get loans to go and buy shoe, bag, or things that are just frivolities. We are telling you to get loans to invest and upscale yourself. I know some people hear loans and think, oh, voila, but not all loans are bad. Apps like Okash, Fair Money, Carbon, and Branch give instant loan for business growth. Remember, It's for business growth. Use loans to invest in profitable ventures, not to buy iPhone 16 or iPhone 15 Pro Max. If a business owner borrows 500,000 and imports goods, like mini importation, it can make as much as 1.5 million naira in profits. Because I know some of you are afraid of loans, tell me in the comment section, would you take a business loan or never? Just tell me in the comment section, I can take a business loan. I will be taking a business loan. Never. I can never take loans. Let me know in the comment section and we might talk about it in another video. Number 6 is to get paid in dollars. Make foreign currency without leaving Nigeria. Freelancers, remote workers, and content creators, this is for you. Apps like Gray, Payday, and Cheaper Cash allows you to receive international payments in USD. Then you convert your money at black market rate and it will give you more. Work on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and get paid from anywhere in the world. A freelancer or remote worker averagely makes $1,000 per month. That is an equivalent of 1.5 million naira. Way more than some office jobs. Drop a comment if you want to earn in dollars. Maybe I might just make video on how to get remote jobs or how to be a freelancer. Drop a comment if you'd like to earn in dollars, guys. Before we continue, I'd like to give a very big shout out to Lucky Durochukwu. Thank you for being a member of our community. Thank you for joining Fooby Finance. May grace be for you and may God's glory radiate in your life. Thank you so much. Another person I want to give a fantastic shout out to is Gistology TV. Gistology TV is just a subscriber. We hope to join our membership very soon. But shout out to you. You guys can check them out if they have a channel on YouTube. And please follow them, like and subscribe to their videos. Yeah. Alright, let's have a recap. If you want to get rich in Nigeria, use fintech apps to invest in stocks and crypto, save money effortlessly using your safe lock option. Start a side hustle or online business. There are also offline businesses you can start from home. If you're looking for best business ideas, profitable business ideas, I have a whole lot of playlists on that. Do check them out. In fact, you will love every bit of it. There are people who have testified that they've watched my video and they've been able to grow because of the impact my video has given to them. I want you to be one of them. Another way is to get business loans wisely. Don't forget, wisely. And the last is to earn in foreign currency by taking up remote jobs or being a freelancer and what have you. Now, tell me in the comments, which fintech app do you currently use? And which one are you going to try next? Or if you've not downloaded any one, which one do you want to download now? Let me know in the comments and let's see which of these apps you would support, and I'll make another video to tell you which I've been using and how it has been working for me. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment and share with people that you know. At this point, guys, I would advise you to watch this video next.